Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to do face distortion on Spark Studio. So first click this little plus button at the bottom and then click and then search up face distortion. So yeah, and then you're going to click on that one and then click import, insert, import, and then you're gonna edit it, and then you have to update it to make it work, and then you have it ready. You just have to fix your, like, you can just adjust your nose, your mouth, your like chin, your eyes, everything. So that's what I'm doing over here. I'm like adjusting every single part. So yeah, that's how you do face distortion on Spark Studio. And then you can create a filter. Bye.